Hello everyone. So we are seeing कि recently to handle the bomb threats in schools, teachers को एक crash course की training provide की जा रही है by the administration and the police departments. So question यही उठता है कि whether this is the ultimate solution to this threat. We can say this can help us in dealing with the situation once the situation it arises, but क्या teachers even after going through this training एक क्या simply एक crash course के through they'll be able to better handle the situation, because उस time पे जो mental pressure create होता है are they really trained in that sense? Or when again it comes to the voluntary or the mandatory aspect, so it needs to be made mandatory first of all, and secondly, why only we are including teachers in this? Then we need to also include parents also, and somewhere some element should also be there for the students also on the whole. So that's there. And on the part of institutional stakeholders, again, the main solution to this problem or to this challenge would be identifying as soon as possible whether this is a hoax, or even if we can do something related to preventing them going forward. And you can also suggest any measure if you think can better help us in dealing with such type of situation related to increased cyber threats in the form of again bomb threats, not just even in schools, but even we are seeing that these incidents are rising case of airports also.